Hey guys, here we are in today's job. Got a house and a pool cage, driveway, front walk. Let's walk around and show you what we got going on today. Okay, here's the one side of the house. Is probably the best side of the house here. The chimney up there. It's got some green algae on it already. Head along here. These front gutters are all dirty and dingy. The sidewalk, entranceway. Yeah, these gutters got a lot of algae growth on it up along there. Driveway, not too bad. Just got a couple little rust stains here too. See if we can get those out. And here's the other side of the building. Not too bad again. We'll hit this little patio area. It's got a lot of leaves and debris in here. Down along the side, and then we got a pool cage. Good sized pool cage. Got a lot of growth and algae in between. Not too bad though. We got this little area through here. You can see the algae. It's coming down from there's a leak in the gutter up there. It looks like it may have been a patch at some point. But we have, see all the algae in between? He just had these sealed about, oh, I don't know. I think he said about a year ago. But up in here, I don't know if you can see that or not, but a lot of spider webs up in these little corners. It's very common when you have pool cages that are kind of out towards the fields. And that's pretty much it. All right, let's get going. It's gonna be another hot one today.
Get some good, some food in you. Step 3, you grow hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
All right, guys, so we're all done here. Let's walk through and take a look. Oh yeah, sidewalk, driveway came up all nice. Look how white that is. Under a tree, I don't know if you remember, that was all like really bad. You got that oak tree up there, just drops all those leaves. Gutter. This is the front of the house. Look at all those gutters came up all nice and bright, shiny now. House looking good. Front walkway. These gutters up here. right. Okay. Let's get down the side. A big difference. All right, all the gutters up there looking good. Just doing a little post treating here on this little pad. All right, here's our pole cage. Oh, so much better. Got all that algae out of there. Yeah. Looking good now. Spider webs are all gone. So much better. Yeah, that's the way it's supposed to look. Looking good now. All right, well, that's another job in the books. Real nice job. We're going to probably come back and do the sealing of the pavers here. But please remember, if you're liking these videos, subscribe, like, comment below anything that you like to see. So until next time, take care, be safe out there.